Meaning of ink.
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 Ink. Inc. is an abbreviation commonly used in the corporate world. It stands for Incorporated, which means that a company has been registered as a legal entity that is separate from its owners or shareholders. This allows the company to enter into contracts, buy and sell property, and engage in other business activities on its own behalf. An incorporated company provides limited liability protection to its owners, which means that they are not personally responsible for the company's debts or legal obligations. Overall, incorporation is a common practice for businesses seeking to establish a separate legal identity.